Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taiwo Olowa, like I always say. This is the farm in Yanobafe, that is in Abeokuta. We just finished building. I posted a video on the last update where we finished constructing the structure. So at this point now, we have planted, like I told you last time, we planted vegetables, bananas, plantain, potatoes, and some other greeneries that in this vegetables in this structure. And you can see they are all growing now. At this point, we are covering the greenhouse with nets. We're using shade nets for the top, and we're using insect nets for the sides. I'll show you the video shortly. We cover the top with shade nets, so about 25%, and the sides with insect nets to allow ventilation. Follow me. So thank you for watching. More updates are coming on how far we take this farm, and just stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.